Hello everyone! Are you still confused by installing an access control system? Punch damage to walls? Or difficult to understand the wiring diagram? Or is the installation feel too expensive? Alright, today I will introduce to you a super practical wireless access control system. No wiring, no punching. 4 ways to open the door. Let's go! This set of access control system includes 4 main products as well as accessories and menus and 1 more reset card. Standalone access control, wireless receiver, remote control, exit switch button. First of all, you need to connect the wireless receiver to 12V power supplier. This 12V power supplier supports AC 110V to 220V. And then connect lock. You need to control the switch, and the remote control can be used directly. The access control can be based on what unique users can add and delete. And now I will demonstrate this set of unlocking and locking status for you. You can use the access control to set visitors in and out using the remote control and switch. Open.